Hi everyone. Cauliflower doesn't usually get the spotlight. Kids avoid it, adults push it aside, but today we are giving it a glow up. With a simple batter and the air fryer, these florets turn golden, crunchy, and irresistible. No oil splatter, no mess, just fritter vibes without the frying. So let's get started. Start with one medium cauliflower, chop into bite-sized florets, think snack size, wash them well and pat completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Take a large mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, gram flour, rice flour, baking powder, baking soda, black pepper, chili powder, cumin powder, salt. Mix everything with a little bit of water, then add turmeric powder and gradually add water. Keep mixing it until all the lumps are gone. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil, you can use any oil you want. Make sure batter is quite thick, it shouldn't be of runny consistency. Preheat the air fryer to 370 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Drop the cauliflower florets into the batter. With a spoon, coat them thoroughly. Each piece should be dressed like it's ready for a golden runway show. Spray the tray lightly with olive oil. Arrange the florets in a single layer. Don't crowd them unless you want steamed cauliflower. We are here for a crunch, right? Slide the tray in and let it cook. At the halfway beep, slide the tray out. Give a little spray of olive oil again. Flip all the pieces once. This will make a big difference between crunchy and chewy cauliflower pieces. Once the cycle finishes, check. Mine needed a little more golden magic, so I set it for 10 extra minutes at 390 Fahrenheit. Slide the tray out, shake it and hear the crunchy, irresistible sound. The florets have turned glossy, golden and perfectly crunchy. And just like that, crispy cauliflower magic without deep frying, healthy, crunchy and totally kid approved. Serve hot with your choice of chutney, hot wing sauce or even ranch. These are snacks, sides and even main dish crashers. However you serve them, watch them disappear. If this recipe made you smile, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. That's it. Until next time, thanks for watching.